Hi everyone, I am going to solve several problems that we did during the class time, and hopefully this will help you to do your homework and practice. All right, the first problem was that we need to find for each of the recursive sequence below, find the recursive formula for the general form, right? So first question was there is a bunch of raw data 12, 8, 4, and dot. The first, consider whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. This can be determined by checking whether a value is being added or multiplied to get the consecutive term, which means that from here, first term to next term, looks like it's decreasing. So subtract 4. This value can be found if we go backward, it will be added 4, right? So when you added certain constant value to get next term, it will be a arithmetic, right? Arithmetic sequence. If you get the next term by multiply, it will be a geometric. So here, since the -4 is being added each time, the recursive general term, so recursive one is you find the one after another consecutively. We are using u of n. We have to use previous term. n minus 1 representing previous term, right? Previous term minus 4. And then always you will be given first term will be, in this case, it's a 12. So let's see. Let's double check. So first term was a 12. Second term is previous term minus 4. So it's 8. Correct. Trying to find the next term. Right here, previous term is 8, and common difference was -4. So that gives me 4. Check. And recursive only allow you to find the next term. You cannot find it. What if I ask you to find the 100th term? Recursive term you are not allowed to do. So previous term minus 4, so equal to check. So recursive term u n minus 1, previous term minus 4. So that will get you the right thing. So this is an arithmetic sequence. It was arithmetic sequence. Okay. Let's go. B. Let's go. B, the given number was, this one was our trouble, and we couldn't find it, or we couldn't finish it, right? 3.2. Next term was -32. Next term was a 320. Dot. First, we know we can tell negative, positive, negative, positive. We cannot add it. We knew. How do I know? We can find it. To find either common difference or in this case I want to try with the common ratio. Okay, next term divided by previous term, so going backward, that gives me -10. So we know this one was multiplied by, so let's look here to here, multiply by -10. Yes, here to here, multiply by -10. Here to here, multiply by -10. Right? So we know this is a geometric one. It is important to state that first term so that you know the first value of a substituted into the general form. Okay? So we know this one is a geometric. which means that you multiply by here in case negative 10. So to calculate the next term, you multiply by negative 10. So we know recursive negative 10 times, what do? We multiply previous term. I don't think this is what I said. And then where first term is negative 0.32. Okay, I said n minus 1 means negative previous term. So first term u1, right, previous term times negative 10. That gives me 3. No, I'm gonna redo it again. That gives me, first term was negative 0.32 times 10, 3.2. U3, let me make it small. U3, next term, last term, 3.2 multiplied by negative 10. That gives me negative 32, right? U4, so this is correct, this is correct. Fourth term, last term, negative 32 times negative 10. So 320, correct. So this is our recursive. We only can recursive sequence. Okay. Good. Last one. C. Given C was 500, 100, 20, and 4. I cannot find a consistent, so I will common difference, I am not sure. Common ratio, I can do 100 divided by 500. That gives me 1/5 because it's 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's try. Again, 20 divided by 100. So I am going this way by dividing, right? If we go forward, it has to be multiplied. That gives me 1/5. So now I find it. I did not know whether it was a common difference or a common ratio, but easier way I can find it is dividing by it, right? So I know this is geometric sequence. My common ratio is 1/5. So in generally, 1/5 multiplied by previous term. Let's try. I know U of 1. First term is a 500. So second term is 1/5 multiplied by first one. Oh, first one is a 500. That gives me 100. Second term. See, second term is 100. Correct. U3 ratio times 100. That gives me 20. Correct. Last term, one of the fourth term multiplied by 20. That gives me 4. Correct. So my recursive general form is right here. Cool. Alrighty.